Hello.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel today. So Mr. is home. So today video is gonna teach me how to speak Igbo.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it's good to know how to speak Igbo language because if you have an Igbo husband, you have one of the best husbands in the world. That language is so good. The Igbo language is more or less like Latin language. It sounds mostly it sounds the way it's written, which means consonants and are pronounced. Like o, u, a.
Oh, come
They
OJ.
are always pronounced like that. It's not like some close clinch language like let me say German or Dutch or Russian, which sometimes letters come in between, like HGV.
Alright then, get to the point. You
So,
talk too much.
yeah. What do you remember?
Me only know beer.
What is beer?
Come.
Yay! High five. Yay!
Only that. Come.
Yay! So, why is your lips red this morning?
Because I'm beautiful. Mad what they say. Words can't bring me down.
Look, for real. Oh my God!
It's so funny. Yeah, sometimes when I'm on video, I look so ugly, guys. But in person, I'm very beautiful. Yeah, I'm a beautiful woman in person, but I'm not photogenic. I don't think pictures and video agree with me. So, anyways, yeah.
So, if you want to say I'm hungry in Igbo, it is a long sentence. It is a combination of words. It is 3 words in English. I am. You, now, the noun proverb. I'm hungry, then is verb. So in Igbo, you see the same thing, but you say hungry is hungry in me, kind of. If you translate it word to word, you have to say ago, that is hunger or hungry.
Ago.
Na.
Ago na.
Agum.
Agum.
Yes.
Agum na.
Ago is hungry or hunger. Na is.
Yeah, so you say ago na.
Ago na.
Ago na.
Agum.
Agum na.
Ago is hunger. And then na means oh, it's because I'm not written it down for you. That's another reason why you might not get the pronunciation. Ago, oh yeah, is A-G-U.
Ago.
Yes. Then space. Then N-A.
Ago na.
Ago mu.
Agum.
Mu is me.
Agum.
Yes. Mu is me. You is Ginwa.
Ginwa. Ginwa.
Ginwa. Or in some sentences, you don't need to complete it. You can only say ge.
Okay.
Yes, that means you. That, for instance, if you want to say me and you, mo na ge.
Mo na ge.
Yes. So that na could be used as and it could be used as is.
Mo na ge.
Yeah, monage.
Monage.
So you see, mu is mo. So gi is ge. So that's why I said Igbo is just written the way it's pronounced.
Not really. It's not. To you, son, someone is not really. Oh, mo na ge mean.
Mo nage. Me and you.
Mo na ge. You don't really sound like me and you.
Mo is me.
Momo is me.
No,
Me.
mo, not mu. Not M-U-M-U. Mo. Only one M-U.
Mo.
Uh-huh.
No.
Monagi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say monage. Say monage now. Say monage. Monage.
Mum. Monagi gebi. Monagi gebi. Monagi gebi means I will live with you.
Mona what?
Mo. Nagi.
Monage.
Ga.
Mo ga ge.
Mona.
Mona ge.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Mona ge.
Me and you.
Mona ge.
Yes. Monagi.
Oh, you say, how are you?
That word, how are you, is long. You know? Funginanya.
Afanginaya.
Yes.
What is
It's a long sentence.
What is Afanginaya?
I'm from Guinea means I love you. You know? I'm from Guinea. Means I love you. It is not a very short word like that of English. You know? That is just the shortest or the most common. Idemumma.
Oh, yes, leave me. Oh, yes, leave me alone.
Oh, Hapumaka.
Oh, Apumaka. Leave me alone.
Yes.
Oh, Apumaka.
Hapumaka. Leave me alone. Hapumaka. Oh, Hapugodun. But Hapumaka is the correct one.